Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on cell phones with T-Mobile, complete guide step by step clearly. Are you looking to save on cell phones with T-Mobile? You've come to the right place. Let's explore some effective strategies. Firstly, consider choosing a T-Mobile plan that suits your needs. T-Mobile offers a range of options, from single lines to family plans. Assess your data usage to select the most cost-effective plan. Next, keep an eye out for promotions. T-Mobile frequently runs deals on phones and plans. Visit their website or app regularly to catch these limited-time offers. Another smart move is to take advantage of trade-in programs. If you have a device that's in good condition, you can trade it for credit. This can significantly lower the cost of your new phone. Consider financing your phone instead of paying upfront. T-Mobile provides financing options that allow you to pay in installments. This could make a top-tier device more affordable over time. Additionally, look into pre-owned or refurbished devices. These options can save you a considerable amount of money. Be sure to check the warranty and return policy on these phones. It's also wise to join T-Mobile's loyalty program. Staying with T-Mobile long-term can lead to exclusive deals and discounts. Next, utilize family or group plans. Sharing a plan can lead to lower monthly costs per line. Enjoy things like free Netflix or international data in certain plans. Always read the fine print to understand what's included. Lastly, consider autopay discounts. Setting up automatic payments can qualify you for savings on your bill. By following these steps, you can maximize your savings on cell phones with T-Mobile. Start your journey today and enjoy your new device at a lower cost. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.